Want to make your emails look professional in monday.com? Let me show you how to add an email signature in just a couple of minutes. First, open monday.com and head into your CRM workspace. In the top right corner, click on CRM settings. From the menu, select email signature. Now hit edit inside the signature box and type out your details like your name, job title, company phone number, or even a short quote. Think of it as your digital business card. Next, toggle on the options for new emails and replies, so your signature automatically shows up every time. Finally, click Save. And you're done. Your professional email signature is now ready, giving your communication a polished and consistent look. If this helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.